The event today was a major occasion for the Human Rights Council. It was particularly significant because of the nature of the report that was given on conditions in DPRK human rights. This is a unique report in that it was done in a very public, open, transparent process with hearings that were held in a number of cities in Seoul, in Tokyo, in London, in Washington, with witnesses that were testifying in public, video of the sessions, transcripts of the sessions have been made available. It's been a very open and a very transparent process. The Commission has done an outstanding job in terms of encouraging and making public what they've done. I want to pay tribute to the members of the Commission. They're an outstanding group. Michael Kirby, Marzuki Darasman, and Sonia Pizzerko. They deserve a great deal of thanks from the international community for the effort that they've made. We have given careful attention to the recommendations of the report. We think the report is excellent. We think the recommendations deserve to be given very serious consideration. We're supportive of an ongoing field presence to continue the work that the Commission has undertaken, and we're concerned to make sure that there is some system for making accountable those who are responsible for the human rights violations that have been identified and discussed. The fact that there may not be a resolution coming out of the Security Council does not mean that the Security Council may not consider, and we're hopeful that the Security Council, in fact, will have an opportunity to talk about the results of the report and discuss them further. Furthermore, this is not a one-time, we've had a report, we've got to do something and it's over. This is the beginning of a process, the continuation of a process of calling attention to these kind of horrendous human rights violations. And the fact that right now we may not be able to move forward as far as we'd like to go does not mean that we're going to stop and say, oh, we can't do anything more, we're not going to do it. We will continue to carry on the struggle. We will continue to call attention to the abuses. We will continue to use the resources that are available to us. Human rights is not a quick and an easy fix, and we're not going to stop. The Commission has been very creative in terms of inviting many individuals who have lived in North Korea, who have endured the human rights abuses and conditions there, and they've testified. They've spoken about them. There were a handful of them that spoke today during the course of the session. Shin Dong-hyuk, who was the author of Escape from Camp 14, former political prisoner, who had committed no crime other than having parents who also committed no crime but nonetheless were serving in a political prison. So the fact that the Commission is not able to get into North Korea, or that individuals who are attempting to document human rights concerns are not able to get into North Korea, does not mean that we're not able to find out what's going on, that we're not able to document and provide information. And we'll continue that process.